Hey everybody, here I am with another video. Welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to attempt to replace the CMOS battery in my Dell Latitude D820. But first order of business, if you're going to replace a CMOS battery in a laptop, or this Dell Latitude D820 in particular, the first thing you want to do is always remove your battery. And your CMOS battery is going to be located under this little RAM door. Well, this little door where your RAM is. Although you do have your Windows COA on that little cover, so you're going to need a little Phillips screwdriver, and the cover is going to lift right up. So let me put y'all down for a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the little RAM cover open. So this is where your CMOS battery is located. It uses a 2032, so you basically gonna need something small to kind of gently unhook that little connector from its little slot, so battery just slides right out, of course. And this is the original Dell battery, and that's the replacement one we're going to try to attempt to insert. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera around, I apologize, but so we're going to try and see if we can get this little thing in its, you know, it's kind of tricky doing it with one hand, but and basically the installation is going to be the reverse of removal. So you want to keep that in mind. You want to make sure everything lines up like the previous one did. And I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on and get everything back together so we can fully test it out. Since I got the new CMOS battery installed and everything back together, we're going to do the moment of truth. So we should get an, even though we're going to get an error, so we're going to basically set the date and time, of course. Oh, I thought you, there we go. Now we're going to make sure everything is working like it should. And we should be able to boot in the window, reboot with no problems. And since we're booting in the Windows now, that should be a good sign. And this is a little sneak peek of this, of an upcoming of this video, of a sneak peek of the laptop in full action, of course. So it will be showing this 2006 Dell Latitude D820 in a future video, even though it is going to be, of course, running Windows XP based on the and there you have it. Everything's working just fine like it should, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. And since we got the new CMOS battery, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.